Welcome to Sassy Expression, your go-to destination for everything social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our content. Busta Rhymes and DJ Khaled had a meetup, and the conversation was hilarious. I find it funny because whenever a Jamaican calls you and you don't pick up the phone, it seems like you are ignoring them. Busta Rhymes made sure to let DJ Khaled know that he must answer the phone the next time he calls.
Make sure you know that, you know. Hey, yo, Jamie, tell Khaled when Busta Rhymes blood clot calling for answer your blood clot phone. Answer your blood clot fucking phone.
I don't have a phone. I don't have one. I'm telling you. You gotta need to get in touch with me. Call Jamie. Call Jamie. I don't have a phone.
Answer your fucking phone. Answer your fucking phone. Me will kill you enough, you know, answer your phone to me. Don't do that. Bumbo class.
You do that to everyone,
Don't fucking
Yo,
do
Beggy,
that. Don't fucking do that.
Help, Beggy.
Get him, Busta. Get him. Get him, Busta.
I love you so much.
Good, brother.
Hell yeah.
Popular DJ Foota hype made it known that life is beautiful in his recent post, but also took a moment to give us a hint that he is no longer wearing an ankle monitor.
Yeah. We're outside, you know. Yeah, man, Foota hype very active. We're outside. Hurting, you know. You see me? Prepare for take on the globe, you know. The body robe, you know. Yeah, man, beautiful day, you know. Some barefoot walking and, you know what I mean? Give thanks to life, you know. Yeah, man. Feels good. We here. We lit. Big up the Almighty Creator, big up the ancestors. You don't know, big up all well wishers, all fans, our loved ones. Where else in the world? Which part next? Trouble, you know. Foota hype, you know, what in the world, you know, when I prepare, you know. Woo! Life is beautiful. Life is lovely. You see it? Trouble.
A couple was seen having an altercation where the woman would not let the man inside of the car. Bystanders believe that the man is currently undergoing a breakdown, but the female driver seems to be tired of the situation.
Up in the door now, Abby. No, up in the door. Up in the door now, please. Up in the door. Just up in the door. Me nah come in. Up in the door now. Up in the door now, Abby. Me nah hurt you, baby. I'm for dear that man, you. Please, me I beg you. Come on, while I'm on the phone, say me hurt time. You fling on my phone over there, so. While I'm on the phone. You say me door now up. When I have all right to video me. See me give you my phone. Up in the door now, baby. Up in the door now.
Yeah, what me door? Tell her, Abby, what me door?
Up in the door now, baby.
Abby, me a bed feel. Me a bed feel. Abby, me a bed feel. You fight hard.
No, but I'm
Calm down.
please.
Abby, me a bed feel. Abby, what me door feel now? Abby, please. Open the door.
Please.
Open the door, Abby. Open the door. Help him out. Open your door.
Me and I have a hospital, brother. I don't know what.
So who the hospital? You?
My youth, Abby, please, no, Abby.
Are you girl?
Please, no. Yeah, mo. Yo, my youth, me do everything.
Abby, me a bed feel.
Abby, me
a bed feel. Abby, open the door.
Abby, just open the door now.
Why?
Fuck that,
The police are gonna come for you now.
Yes, brother. Brother.
Am I right?
Me alright, brother, but don't want to style me, dog.
Police officers was called to the scene so that they could get a better understanding of the situation.
Okay. Oh my God, please don't kill him. I'm a new girl. Yeah. Yeah. No, him just a try getting a car.
not fear nothing, brother. I want to go back to all make sure just remove. I never try to hurt her. No, I didn't hurt your dream.
Boy, embarrassing bad for Abby.
Yeah. And if him way my one and he'll grab my phone and go away. You know, if it's enough, man, I don't fling out him.
How long you Abby?
Since area.
So you're done with him?
Yeah.
I'm a madman.
Yeah, but help him that's in a jail though.
Abby,
please, not make him go to jail.
Not make him go to jail.
Not make him go to jail. Him just have a breakdown. Hey, come here. You have to. Listen, you have to stop a breakdown. You have to stop a breakdown. You have to. Come on, man up, man. Man up. Calm down, he's just emotional. Abby. The police type involved now. Him can't do nothing to you. Abby, come on. This is disgraceful. Abby. Hey, here's the $1,000. Here.
Baby, please, no. Please, no.
Here's $1,000. Here's $1,000. Oh my God, me understand. Abby, help out the black brother, man. Help him out. What? Him not kill her. Him not just emotional. Yeah.
Yeah.
But calm him down. He no need to go to police station. Yeah, man. Come on. Come on, don't have to get in the domestic off street, man. That's embarrassment. Hey, black man. Hey, brother, you have to control your emotion, man. You understand me? See your money. Control your emotion, man.
I don't want to man the brother.
Jesus. You're going to make the police them all you and pull you. Calm down, man. Calm down. All right, let's turn off the camera.
Toya seems to have a few words for RT Boss, and it doesn't seem like they are getting along well in terms of resolving Ivani's situation.
Call the fat girl from Granspin, because the fat girl from Granspin and know nothing about me, because I never used to walk and fuck a bag of man for the lane. So call the fat girl from Granspin, RT, because the fat girl from Granspin and know nothing about me, my love. Them don't know nothing about me. You see, you in a people business.
One was my side.
Yeah, them never know nothing about me. So any fat girl you want to call from Grandson, you can call them. Because anything them come up here come talk about, I must something about my mother. That's it. That's all. And what? If I not nothing to do with my child, I don't care. If I have nothing to do with my beautiful daughter, I don't care. The one with my birth, I don't care. Not no one to draft. If I not draft for my baby, you can't hurt me. If them not draft for my little girl, nothing wanna say. All if you not draft for me, you can't hurt me. Draft for the pitney when I push out. But now mix my name with Batman, brother, because it's not the same thing. I mean, I'm going to know and say. All if me find out to my man right now when me there with, when me asleep with a fuck man. Me left him quicker than how me there with him. You crazy? Are you crazy? Young Samu, thank you. You must be crazy to backside. My friend? I have me get up a man and my front start itch me. My man have to go to the doctor come want know what is happening. I'm not run joke, brother RT. I'm not run joke. Undercover Batman RT. I'm not run joke. You say Batty call upon your name, it now go call upon mine, yeah? That me have to tell you now. All the screen recorders now when they can't lift off of my page, when they can't lift up. When they can't leave. When they can't leave. I don't see so much I don't know at the time when me over here play, I look match them. So I leave. Thank you guys.